Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Science, where science meets you. If you're new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. In this video, let's discuss about packages in Java. Package is a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, subpackages, and interfaces. It is used to prevent naming conflicts. It is used to make searching and using of classes interfaces easier. It is used to provide controlled access to the data members. Package names and directory structures are closely related. Example, package name is college.staff.isc. Here there are three directories. College directory is accessible through class path variable. Packages are named in reverse order of domain names. Adding class to package. Using package name at top of the program and saving it in directory, or create a class in the existing .java file. So there are two ways to add a class to a package. Types. Okay, sub-package is a package inside another package. Accessing class inside a package, there are two ways. You can import it in one of the two forms, like import java.util.vector or import java.util.start. The asterisk. This means that all the classes that are inside the util package can be used, can be accessed. Here, only the vector class is accessed. Next, types of package. User-defined package. Packages defined by the user. And two, it is inbuilt package. Part of Java API. Example, java.lang, java.io, java.util. We will have to set the class path using cmd, that is the command prompt. Next, let's see a few packages in Java. Java.util.package is one of the inbuilt packages that is present in Java. In java.util.package, it contains collection frameworks, legacy collection classes, event model, date and time facilities, and so on. They have array list, array, collections, date and time, dictionary, hash map, hash set, linked list, scanners, and priority queues. Java.lang package provides classes that are fundamental to design a Java programming language. They have boolean, byte, character, compilers, double, and so on. Next, java.io package provides for system input and output through data stream serialization and the file system. They have buffered input stream, buffered output stream, console, file, buffer reader, buffered writer, input stream, output stream, and many more. So this is the end of wrapper classes. In the next video, we can discuss about keywords. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, upright from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we post. Thank you.